I'm here to show you the Rizzoli, the model L90. This one is shown in the ceramic tiles. So this would be similar to how the Nordica product looks, but the Rizzoli is actually a very high quality product line. Everything on this stove is made in Italy. So Rizzoli makes everything except for the ceramic panels. These are outsourced, but they are still manufactured in Italy. So this product is unique because it has a lot of decorative details. So specifically, these rivets on the door give it a very nice traditional design. As you can see, there's a lot of attention to detail in the styling on the ceramic tiles. If you take a look here at the sides, you also have a lot of detail. The oven, the firebox here is located on the right-hand side. That is because the flue is located right here on the left. This is interchangeable. If you move the flue over to the right-hand side, that'll automatically move your firebox to the left. So that'll give you a lot more options and versatility when planning your venting. The top of the stove does have removable cook plates for wok-style cooking. Inside the baking oven is very nice. They give you 4 different levels here. You do get one single oven rack as well as an enamel pan to go inside the oven. Your oven cleanout is located directly on the front of the stove below the oven, so that's very easy for oven cleanout. Located below the stove, we do have a warming drawer. Most people would put either logs down here or pans for cooking, so that's a nice option to have as well. This does have very, very low clearance to combustibles, actually probably one of the lowest on the market. This is something that we are in the process of getting well tested, so we aren't quite sure what the clearances for America will be at this time, but we should know once the testing is complete. So again, this is Sarah with Obadiah. This is the Rizzoli, the L90, which is our new product line from Italy. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.